Namaste everyone. Welcome to the Young Tinker Space 1778 team at Cheers Foundation. I would like to welcome all of you to explore, ideate and design the solutions of tomorrow. This is an exciting journey which we are doing with Cheers Foundation, and the project is supported by Young Tinker Foundation and Moritech. Looking forward to create more stories and change making on ground. Thank you.
So thanking the team on meeting for them mandating us to attend this one, otherwise we miss it. So to see that how the Moritech Foundation thought it's really there is what you can see that one.
I wanted you people to see Mehboob and become like him so that you will dream and you will aspire all your things. Okay? Thank you for the Young Tinker and every dignitary over here.
One of our goal is also quality education. That's where we wanted to partner with him. This young Marine and our university again.
So then seeing the spark in the eyes, what I think is not just innovation, passion, you should also have the G.
I'm Swarna. We are from Moritech. We are so happy to be partnered with Young Tinker Foundation, and the way they nurture teams with so much of creativity, and they explore with various tools and materials. It's so innovative and creative. Definitely, the 4 years of the training curriculum will help all the students, and there'll be lot of impact to the society also.
Being part of Moritech Foundation, we are happy to see the innovative and the foundation for future for the children being held here, developing their skill set and their intelligence. So we have collaborated with Young Tinker. So Moritech is laying a foundation for the children to fulfill their dreams in future and embed their intelligence at every step.